Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Rogue rear wiper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Gather your new wiper blade and any necessary tools, like a small flathead screwdriver if needed. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window glass, making sure it stays in the upright position. Now, let's remove the old blade. With the wiper arm lifted, find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to unlock the old blade. Carefully slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Take a moment to inspect the wiper arm for any signs of damage or corrosion. Installing the new blade is usually a breeze. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's securely fastened and won't come loose. You're almost done. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the rear window glass. Before driving, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively. Remember to regularly check your wiper blades for signs of wear, like streaking or chattering, to maintain clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.